Hi dolls! Today I'm going to unbox my Husbando, aka Draken from Tokyo Revengers. Here you can see the different positions you can make him do. This is actually my very first Nendoroid. I received one as a gift a few years ago from my ex, but then I found out that was a fake one, so I'm not going to count that. Maybe I wasn't supposed to take the whole thing out, but oh well. Ooh, they gave a little manual thingy. I'll get this English. Okay. They labeled the parts. Here's this thing. Okay, let's get started. Oh, it looks like they've already assembled him. He's so beautiful. Oh, he's already protecting himself from COVID, see? Ooh, it looks like he was in a really bad bike accident. Where's the food? Ooh, I see it. Well, I'm just gonna take out all the bits. This looks like his little stand. So these are the two other faces he can make. He's so perfect. He's a little curry. It's not focusing. Oh, dear. And then behind it, you can see his hand holding it. An arm. Another arm. Another arm. Oh, I dropped my manual. I'll just leave it here. That's so cute. Ooh, focus. Okay, it's the same dragon tattoo he has on his head. Finally! Tokyo Manji Namu! I know I'm clean, shut up. I hope I didn't forget anything. I think I'm stupid. I'm putting the wrong arm. Okay. I think it's this one. It's not this one. Oh, I can twist the hand. Okay. Now I'm gonna make him sit. I need to take his legs off. Oh no! I'm gonna use this one because you can bend the legs. It's complete. Ooh, it's a bit wonky. Stay. Alright, oh, that's the Japanese side. English. Okay, sorry, Draken. Gonna have to rip your head off again. Wait, can you guys tell the difference? Oh, it's the eyes. Okay. So this is how it looks so far. Cute little shoes. Alright, I'm almost done. Plop his head. Oh, let's see this picture. Okay, I definitely picked the right face. Ooh! And his ponytail. The ponytail falls off quite easily. You have to be extra careful. Okay. Ta-da! It's so cute! Now I'm gonna put him in the little stand. Okay, so there appears to be a hole on his back. Oh, his other arm. Put this in here. Oosh, adjust. Ooh, I'll fix your arm in a moment, hold on. He's like, yo, where'd my arm go? Okay, your arm back and the carry things. Don't forget your flag. This, that will do. Ooh. I'll just put him down here. Ta-da! Here we have my little Draken with his curry. It's a good thing we don't have earthquakes here. I feel like the ponytail would be the first one to drop.